Send them to Ireland. We'd be free in a week.
Two rounds the minute, sir.
What the devil are you doing here?
Mr. Berry's orders, sir.
The French are over there. Waiting. They fire 3 rounds a minute. You fire 2. By sunset tomorrow, you'll all be dead. Take off your jackets and stocks. Bites the cartridge. Pours the powder. Spits the bullet. No ramrod. Just a gentle tap of the butt to send it down. You save 20 seconds. Now the trick is to keep the muzzle up to stop the bloody bullet falling out. Of course, the muzzle needs to point up anyway. The frog coming towards you is high up on a horse. Right. Let's get to work. Double ranks, Mr. Denny.
Double ranks?
And Mr. Denny, if you see any man doing anything not in the manual...
Take his name, sir.
Give him half a pint of rum on the spot, Mr. Denny. Time this, Mr. Denny. Tell them to load and fire in their own time.
Load and fire in your own time. Load!
Bite, pour, spit, tap, aim. Bite, pour, spit, tap, aim. Steady now, dogs. Bite, pour, spit, tap, aim. Do it again, Dobbs. Cartridge. Bite, pour, spit, tap, aim.
Damn it, Josephina. I was worried about you.
Why? Did you think that Mr. Sharpe had stolen me away?
3 shots and 10 seconds in hand, sir.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. 4 shots the minute!
Sharpe.
Yes, sir.
Stop showing off, Sharpe.
Yes, sir.